Welcome to this video guide on 10 proven ways to make money while you sleep. Today, we're going to dive into the world of passive income and show you how real people have turned their dreams of financial independence into reality. Imagine waking up and the money in your bank account earned while you were dreaming. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Let's explore how. Number 1, we have the stock market. Meet Sarah, a young investor who put her money to work in the stock market. With the right strategy and patience, she turned a small investment into a thriving portfolio. Number 2, we have blogging. John, a passionate writer, started a blog on a topic he loved. Over time, his blog grew in popularity, and he now earns a substantial income from ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Number 3 is real estate. It can be a game changer. Emily bought her first rental property, and now she enjoys a steady stream of rental income every month, building wealth while she sleeps. Number 4, online courses are booming. James created a course teaching his expertise and is now earning passive income as students from around the world enroll and learn from him. Number 5, affiliate marketing is a gem. Rachel promotes products she loves, earning a commission on every sale generated through her unique links. It's like having an army of salespeople working for her around the clock. Number 6, dividend stocks are another brilliant choice. Mark invested in dividend-paying stocks, and now he receives regular dividend checks, even while he's on vacation. Number 7, YouTube content creation is a fun way to earn. Meet Emma, who shares her passions and expertise on her YouTube channel. Ad revenue and sponsorships add up while she's off camera. Number 8, app development can lead to a passive goldmine. Robert built a useful app that generates income from downloads and in-app purchases, making money for him, even in his sleep. Number 9, peer-to-peer lending is another option. Sarah lends money on P2P platforms and earns interest monthly, creating a steady income stream. Number 10, e-commerce is thriving. Alex started an online store, and now his products ship worldwide, racking up sales 24/7. These are just a few examples of how ordinary people like you and me are making money while they sleep. The key is to find a method that suits your interests and financial goals. So, whether you're dreaming of a beachside retirement or simply want to take control of your financial future, passive income can help you get there. Take action today, explore these opportunities, and begin your journey towards financial independence. Remember, the dream of making money while you sleep is within your reach. Please subscribe for more financial wisdom and success stories.